Hello, wellness enthusiasts. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to D.A.T.E Breathwork, a powerful breathing technique designed to enhance your physical and mental well-being. Let's dive in. Breathwork is comprised of 3 primary phases. The first phase is rapid, deep breathing. Here, you'll perform rapid, deep inhales and exhales through the mouth. The aim is to fill your lungs completely, then forcefully exhale. Repeat this for 30 to 40 cycles. Next, we move to the breath hold phase. After the rapid breathing, hold your breath for as long as comfortably possible. It's important to stay relaxed during this phase and listen to your body. Finally, we have the recovery breath phase. When you feel the urge to breathe, take a deep, slow inhale and hold it for 15 seconds before exhaling completely. This completes one cycle of the breathwork. Now, let's talk about the benefits. Many practitioners report an increase in energy levels. The deep breathing boosts your oxygen intake, leaving you feeling more energized. Some studies suggest this breathwork may have anti-inflammatory effects. Additionally, there are reports of improved immune response, though the exact mechanism is still being researched. Another fantastic benefit is enhanced cold tolerance. This technique is often combined with cold exposure, which can help your body adapt to colder temperatures. Lastly, stress reduction is a significant benefit. The deep breathing induces a relaxation response, helping to reduce stress levels. Now, a few words of caution. Always consult a healthcare provider before starting any new breathing technique, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Start slowly. Begin with shorter breath-holding periods and gradually increase them as you become more comfortable. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's signals and avoid pushing yourself too hard. And practice safely. Ensure you're in a safe environment when practicing, as dizziness can occur, especially for beginners. Remember, breathwork is a journey. Take your time, listen to your body, and enjoy the process. Thank you for joining me today. Discover the benefits of this breathwork and boost your health today. Until next time, stay well and breathe deeply.